Hello, friends. Welcome to week 5 of Learning from Home. I wanted to go over how to access the modules. So that's how you'll get your math work for the week from now on. So here is our Math Canvas homepage. One thing I wanted to point out are the links on the homepage. So again, we do have office hours this week. So if you click that, you will see the times of the office hours, and then this represents Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So when you want to join, you just click the link and you'll be able to join that Google Meet. Another thing that make sure you're looking at is I do have a new announcement. So if you click on announcements, that announcement is right there. It's just a message from me. So you can click on that video and watch that. But again, for your math work this week, you need to be going to modules. You don't have to technically go to assignments. You need to go to modules. So when you click on modules, you'll see this one right here, week 5 math work, and it has this week's date. So the first thing you'll do is click on where it says overview. And what's very important is every page on the module, you need to read the directions. So again, this says watch the introduction video for how to work through this module. You need to click that and it will go ahead and play you a video, which is this one right now, of how to work through the module. Next part of it says, for math this week, you will continue working in your instructional packets. You will learn to review those things. Work through this module at your own pace. Don't forget, if you have questions or are confused, you need to contact Ms. Marshall, or you can join my office hours. Again, those links are on the homepage. What's different about modules is once you're done reading and doing what that page says, you look here. When finished reviewing and reading this page, press the next button. So you just press next, and it takes you to what you're going to work on next. Again, it's very important you read all the directions on the page. So when you press next, it says this: get ready to learn how to solve problems with adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. First, watch Ms. Marshall's video to get started. So again, on this page, you're supposed to watch the video. Then, when you have finished watching the video, click the next button to continue. Here, you're going to notice is an assignment, and it gives you directions. Look at the document below to see your work associated with the video. So if you looked at the video, you noticed we're working on this for this section of math. It's in your packet. Complete the work on the packet. Refer back to the video if you need it. Number 3, submit your work through a photo upload, typing in your answers, or media recording. So once you've done number 1 and number 2, number 3 asks you to submit. So you need to make sure you're coming up here and pressing submit. Again, you can choose a file through photo upload. You can type in your answers. So I think that's 3 questions. So you would type number 1, I got this. Number 2, I got this. Number 3, I got this. I want you also to go a little further if you're typing in. So say you get 3/4 for number 1. I got 3/4 by adding 1/2 and 1/4. So please, if you're typing in, tell me what you did to get your answers. You could also do media where you record yourself and Mrs. Kanopka has kind of showed you that. So you just press start recording and you could record yourself, hey, Miss Marshall, I did my math problem, or hey, this is how I solved number 1, and show me how you solved number 1. And then all you have to do is make sure you're pressing save video and upload media, and it'll attach it right to it. And then, since I've typed in here, I'm going to submit it this way. You need to press submit. It will not let you move on unless you press submit. So I'll press submit. You'll see that it's been submitted, and then come back down to the directions. When you have submitted your assignment, you may click the next button. So now I can click next to move on. Again, follow all the directions on the page. So here you're supposed to watch the video, then you're supposed to complete the work, then submit your work for this. So again, I'm going to show you, just press submit. This time, Miss Marshall's going to choose a file. Say that this is a picture of my work, so I'm going to open that. And then I'm just going to press submit to show that I did it. And right here it says, when you have submitted your assignment, you may click the next button, but you have to press the green submit. You'll see that it's submitted, and then you come all the way down to move on to next. Same here. Read the directions. Get ready to review how to multiply fractions. Watch the video. So you watch the video. When you have completed this, click the next button. So I've watched the video. Click next. Again, reading the directions. Review the success criteria for multiplying fractions and the anchor chart. So here's that success criteria. Here are the two anchor charts. And then it tells me to complete this work in my packet. And then it tells me to submit my work. So once I'm done solving these problems, I'll come back up to the submit assignment. I'm just going to type in my answers here. So for number 1, say I got 6/8. I got 6/8 by multiplying, let's see, 1/4 times 6/2, which equals 6/8. Okay, so again, you type in your answers and how you got your answers, then you can press submit. And then again, at the bottom, it says when you have submitted your assignment, you may click the next button. So you click next. And then it gives you another page with directions to follow. Watch the video. So you watch the dividing unit fractions video. Then it says complete the work. Complete this work in your packet. And then submit your answers. So again, I'll do step 1, watch the video, complete the work. When I'm ready to submit, I'll press submit assignment. I will upload, type in my answer, do some type of media or import from Google Drive. For this one, I'm just going to also type in answers. Even if you're confused, so say number 3 is difficult for you, just say I am confused, would like some help. That is better than not typing anything. I'll probably give you feedback on, well, join my office hours. That's most important. If you notice you're confused on a problem, then you need to be joining those office hours or rewatching the video, okay? So then I need to make sure I'm pressing submit there. I know I've been submitted. Again, at the bottom, it says when you have submitted your assignment, you may click the next button. So I'm going to click the next button. And right here, this is probably what you'll be looking forward to all week. Module completion. It says, I'm all done till next week. So right here, you have completed your math work for the week. Remember, you're trying to do this by Thursday, okay? And then under here, it says what other things you could do to practice. So I've listed a couple things you could practice, so that way you can work on this on Friday. If you get all your module work done by Thursday, these are the things you can be working on Friday. Your math choice board, that fraction war game, your Dreambox lesson, some IXL time. Make sure you're checking your grades and your feedback that me or Ms. Konopka have given you. Again, you do that through the grades section. But once you see this, you have completed your math work for the week. And right here it says click below to return to the home page. So then you will just click that, and then you're back to the home page. So again, make sure you're heading to modules, and then you just click this very first one. And it will even show you what you've completed by your check mark to the side. So say you're not going to do all this at once. I highly encourage you not to do that. I encourage you guys to take your time, maybe do 2 things a day. So that way you can finish by Thursday, but it also gives you a check mark so you know where you left off. So say on Monday I did the first 2 and I come back Tuesday, I don't have to click on those. I can jump right in to this one and get back started on my math work. Again, you guys have until Thursday to get this module completed. That gives you 4 full days. Any moment during that time, and you're confused or you are just stuck and kind of need some motivation, please join my office hours. I'll be more than happy to walk through it with you and encourage you guys to just do your best. I hope that is helpful. I look forward to seeing all your submissions. Make sure you're clicking on grades and double checking what again, this is a test student, so it'll all say missing, but check what you're getting for each assignment, and then make sure to the side you're looking for those comments that me or Miss Konopka are leaving. All right. Have a great week. I miss you guys. I love you. I will talk to you soon.